For my next video, I'd like to do one on the update for the Samsung S26 Ultra. And it just came out today, 5/8/2026, as you can see here. And it's a fairly large sized update, so it's not just your typical security. I'm not sure exactly what it is because I've just now downloaded it, so I haven't really dug into the specifics, but it's saying stability and reliability, device behavior has been improved, which that's kind of cool, but I've never ever had a problem with device behavior or needing it to be improved other than faster, I guess. But I don't know if you've seen any changes after installing this. Go ahead and put a link in the description or make a comment in the description. Let me know what you've come up with. It says these changes may vary depending upon the model, country, network, operator, the customer's environment. This is build number. The last four is AZDE. That's Z as in zebra, not zebra. So it's AZDE. And here it is here. And you can click on that link to take you to a document that basically tells you what I just told you. The update information is One UI version 8.5. Again, the version that you need is AZDE in the last four characters. If you don't have that, you don't have the most current update. And the size was almost a gigabyte, 748.47 megabytes. So that's 3/4 of a gig. So pretty big size for just security, which obviously it's not just security. So make sure you go and you get that update. And while I'm at it, why not? I'll show you how to do that. So go into your settings. I go through my control panel to get to settings. So far right cogged wheel. Scroll all the way down, software update, check for updates, and it's going to say your software is up to date because I just updated it. So that's my video. Check out the new update. See if you find anything that's worth reporting on. Let me know. I can do another video on that if there's something important. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.